Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hi, welcome. It's the most wonderful week of the year. Ding dong ding. Welcome to 2019's Winter Wonder Week, everybody. I'm so glad you're here. Every single year during the month of December, I have my Winter Wonder Week. And Winter Wonder Week just is like Halloween Week. It is a week, 7 days, where I upload a video every single day. During this week, one of the things you'll be seeing is me getting transformed into a holiday drag queen. And Glam and Gore is gonna transform me into Olaf from hell. And baby, wait until you see what I have coming for you for the last video of Winter Wonder Week. Today, however, is the first day of Winter Wonder Week, and here I am. So I woke up this morning, had absolutely no clue what to do for filming today. Like literally did not know anything. I was like, I can do a challenge. I don't know a challenge. I can do a makeup tutorial. I don't want it to be boring. I put my heart onto transforming myself into Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer because nobody needs that in their lives. But I found something that absolutely nobody needs in their lives. So some time ago, I transformed myself into the Grinch, and it still is one of my absolute favorite videos I've ever done in my life because I felt so skilled. You know, I loved the look that I created and I had so much fun with it. And I always wanted to do one of those like collages where you have like the Grinch on one side and Cindy Lou on the other. A Cindy Lou Who makeup tutorial 2019 wise. So I can make the collage like, remember Cindy Lou? This is her now. Get it? So I want to do a fun interpretation on Cindy Lou from the Grinch and make it modern and make it fun and make it playful. I'm not saying that anyone needs this tutorial, but it's here and I'm gonna have a great old time with it. Don't forget, during Winter Wonder Week, I'll be giving away a lot of makeup products. There's gonna be a lot of giveaways, including this video. So make sure you stick towards the end of this video to see what you can win and what you have to do to win it. So without any further ado, let's cue the new intro for Winter Wonder Week and let's go. Cindy Lou, it's about to go down, girl. If your name is Cindy Lou, I'm so sorry, I'm not attacking you, I promise. I seriously cannot with this hair right now. It is so... Moving on. The first product I'm using today is, of course, primer. And I'm going in with the Porefessional by Benefit, and this is in Pearl Primer, so this has got a sheen to it. All right, then for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Kryolan TV Paint Stick. This is a super full coverage foundation stick, but because it tends to be a bit more dry, I am mixing in a bit of the Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay Foundaciones on my beauty sponge so that it just smooths and blends a bit better, easier. So I'm just applying the stick onto my canvas. Then I'm taking a lighter shade for the center portion of my face. Trust me, I'm aware that we're looking a little rough, but things will all be good in the end. Trust, trust, trust. We are blanked out, okay? And to set this all into place, I'm taking loose powder and going ham. Bake, baby, bake. I quickly went off camera, did my brows, and already finished the first... We're creasing, people. Okie dokie, I quickly went off camera, did my brows, and finished the first eye. And I'm talking Cindy Lou being a beauty influencer and creating the most sickening cut crease looks, okay? That is what this Cindy Lou is all about. Like, I am living. I'm obsessed. Let's do it. As always, the first thing to do is to prime the eyelids for all the shadow work. And I actually applied a different primer on this eye. And I just touched up the lid because it's creasing. So that tells me that you should never stray away from your loved ones. I'm going in with my P.Louise base in 0.5, the only base that truly gives it all to me. All right, the palette I want to dip into is this one by Morphe. It's the 39S, and I'm taking this color right here, and I'm picking that up on a little pencil brush and packing on the shape for the look. And I'm creating a very winged out cut crease. All right, once you have that rough shape, looking stunning, knowing where we're going, I am going in with that same brush, and all I'm gonna do is like flip it upwards so that the point is like pointing at my crease. And all I'm gonna do is softly scratch that pink, and the brush is gonna do the blending for me. So see this little portion that I just kind of like scratched at? See how that is diffusing? That's what you want. You almost want to approach it as if that crease is like itchy. And you're like, oh, let me softly but steadily take care of that itch. See, it's doing it for you. Look at that. Do you see that color? I love that tone. It's everything. It's called Pink Prize. We're just gonna approach it the same way we applied that more vibrant pink, but on a more fluffy brush, and just at the edge of where that previous pink sort of stopped. And this is just gonna perfectionize the haze. Once you've got all of that going on, it is time to cut that crease to perfectionis. And I'm gonna set the lid using that beautiful baby pink shimmer color called Oh Yes! We need a tiny little baby liner on this eye to just elongate the eye a bit more, even though this is a lot of elongation. For the lower lash line, I'm taking this vampy shade here and mixing it with that bright pink. I'm gonna place it right here on the very outer corner. Then I'm also kind of smoking it into that winged liner. I really want this to become one. So I'm blending it in so it kind of connects. I'm just gonna continue putting that on. And then about halfway in, I'm gonna take some distance from my natural sort of eye-opening. I don't know. I've done this a million times. You guys know by now. But I love what this does to really open my eyes. So kind of create a new inner corner with those shadows. And as far as shadow goes, that is about what I did. So now I'm gonna hop off camera and do my lashes. And I applied 3 individual strands of lashes by, what are these? These are Elevation Lashes by Danessa Myricks, and they're Freedom 10, oh, whoa. Hold on. They're Freedom 10 lashes, and they're long individual ones that do amazing on the lower lashes. So I'm gonna pop 3 of those on the lower lash line and then pop little holographic stars right in between each one of them. So I'm gonna do that off camera, save some time, and then I'll be back to transform this look into Cindy Lou. I feel like the wings on that cut crease can lift me up and take me to any planet that I wish. Now, of course, the Whoville people are known for their tiny little button noses and rosy cheeks from the cold. So we're gonna take that and modernize it and make it realistically for humans. I'm a human. So first I'm picking up some bronzer, and we're gonna add a little bit of warmth to the cheeks and kind of sculpt the face. For blush, I'm taking this one by Kylie Cosmetics. It is called X-Rated, and you can go pretty ham with the blush for this one. I mean, they have those flushed cheeks from being outside, so don't hold back. If you love blush, now is the time, honey. And I'm gonna mostly concentrate it on the apple of the cheek. And I know I just recently said it, but I'm just gonna repeat myself. Life is too short to not wear blush on your nose. So we're just gonna stamp some right on the center to get that flushed look and to get that cutesy sort of like, oh my God, I'm from Whoville City. Then it's time for that super cute button nose. So I'm taking Omega Eyeshadow by MAC and I'm picking it up on a blender brush. And we're gonna start by placing shadow right here underneath the tip of the nose. And this is gonna enhance the tip. So it's just gonna like push it up. See, by only doing this, that already makes a difference. That already like brings it up. Now I'm gonna darken above the nostril to lift that up too. And then you take the slightest amount of Omega and place your brush like this and kind of scratch, just like we blended the crease, just kind of scratch around the tip of your nose. See, it's creating that button for you. And then using the Dragon Beauty Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder, mixing both of the colors. And with this, I'm gonna clean up the sides of that newly contoured button up nose. And then we're going in with highlighter, and that is really gonna create the full fantasy because that is gonna bring in the light and really pull where it needs to pull. So I'm going in with a nice and bright one, and right at the top here, I create a source of light, and that is gonna enhance that pushed up look even more. This highlighter right here, I created myself in collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics. It is called Space Baby. And it is everything this look needs right now. I have an idea. So to really make this look nuts and to make it even more Cindy Lou, I want to draw in her fake, beautiful big teeth. But I don't know where this is gonna end up. So if this is not in the video, it didn't end up well. And if it is in the video, it still probably didn't end up well. Oh my God. I mean, she has beautiful, gorgeous, big two front teeth, and I'm trying to homage that. I am her. Oh my God. I'm dead. Yeah, no, I hate it. Okay, bye. All right, the teeth portion clearly didn't work out. So one thing I definitely wanted in this look is that their top lips are super, super heavy and big because their nose is so buttony and small. So this is how I tried to do that. Basically, I just did a Bratz look or a drag queen look or all of the before mentioned, but I'm living for it. We got it. And there we have it, guys. The most unnecessary, definitely non-needed video ever, but I had a blast doing it. This is me as a 2019 Cindy Lou Who, and I had a blast doing this one, you guys. Oh my God, my collage with the Grinch is finally complete. So, you've made it this far, so it's time to reward you. It is time for the giveaway, but before we do that, we need the Dutch word of the day. So let's go. I want to keep my Dutch words of the day this week kind of Christmas related, and one thing a lot of people eat during Christmas is chicken. This one is about to be so easy. Let's go. Kip. Kip. Oh my God. Tonight for Christmas dinner, we're about to munch on some kip. All right, let's go on to the giveaway. To enter today's giveaway, and it's a fun one because I'm giving away $250 to shop over at morphebrushes.com. And knowing Morphe's prices, that's a whole lot of Morphe. So I'm giving you $250 to shop over at morphebrushes.com, and all you have to do to enter is, of course, be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below something that includes the Dutch word of the day, kip. So comment with the Dutch word of the day, make it funny, get extra points for it, be subscribed, and like this video. And that enters you into today's giveaway, and winners will be revealed on my Instagram stories after Winter Wonder Week. Got it? Let's go. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I truly had so much fun with this one. I feel like we're about to enter a very, very fun week, and I'm so glad that you're here with me. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I see you tomorrow during Winter Wonder Week.